we had a company to send us a stand for our Starlink that's going to be mounted on a tripod. Something we always wanted to try to do. So we're going to get this baby installed.
Yeah, and it came in a damaged box too.
You know, the box was damaged when we received it. I mean, it was chewed up and taped over, so hopefully nothing is damaged in this process. And we was at a campground up in Pennsylvania, and a guy hit our Starlink dish. As you can see, this little lip right up here got knocked off and broke off, which he never came back to own up to it, but we went on. So we're going to try to get this baby installed and set up on tripod so we don't have to sit it on the picnic table or put it on the ground or anything.
You have a knob here, loosen the knob up, and then you just pull it and set the height you want it.
I think according to their website, it goes up to 47 inches.
Anyway, when you get this set, just put that in there to hold that. And the way I take it, because no instructions in it.
Yeah, there wasn't no instructions. If there was, they're gone because the package was damaged.
This sets down on there, and then I'll up on top. And this pipe's got holes in it so you can set it whatever height you want it. Put that pin in there.
Now, this company also has the mounts that you can mount your Starlink on your ladder of your RV. They got other options, but we chose a tripod.
Put your pin in there, just your height on either one of these 1, 2, 3, 4 holes there. Tighten this down here. It's got little jaw pushes out there to hold that. Keep it from moving. And through it. Screws in here. Right there.
Okay. Now, where's the cable got to go? Up through there?
A little bit.
I'll leave a link to this website in my description. Like I said, they got other mounts, but we chose tripod. I see a lot of people doing tripod.
I gotta take this back off. Shove the cord up through here, and into there.
Okay.
And then take the slide back on there until it's the cord in it.
Okay.
Put someone outside to do that now. I'll take all this outside and do it.
All right.
Go it through there, underneath there. Pull it out, plug it in there. And then take this thing and
Tap it into place.
tap it back into place.
Like I said, they got different mounting things for all Starlink dishes.
Want to get plugged in?
And I discovered how you can clean these things. I googled it. Make sure the dish is cool and been unplugged for a while. Get Windex. Get the name brand. Don't get anything cheap. And spray it. And wipe it down with the microfiber. And it looks like brand new again. In line now?
Yeah, we want to bring you a picture of it right there.
I don't know if anybody could see it.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Yeah, we wanted something that was easier to set up and everything. I mean, it seems to be pretty good. It's not plastic, it's good metal. But we'll put this baby to test, and later on we'll let you know how this thing's doing. But it was easy to install.
Looks like that's the right angle on it, so let's get there.
And we're down here in Florida.
I was trying to kill my